You guys, so today I am back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing this blue halo eye for you using the Morphe Dare to Create 39A palette. I had a lot of fun with this palette. I've been playing with this palette a lot lately, so I wanted to show you guys a more colorful, fun look that you can make with it. This is the same look that I am wearing in my January favorites video, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. So for this look, I've already got my base done, foundation, concealer, and then I'm baking under my eyes right now. I always like to bake under my eyes, one, because I'm an extremely oily person. So baking always makes my concealer just stay in place and I don't have to worry about my oils later on. And two, if there's any kind of fallout depending on what eyeshadow palette I'm using, it's easy to just wipe that fallout away with the powder on top. So just a fun little tip. So I just got this baby this last weekend. I went to the Rancho Cucamonga Morphe store opening with my cousin Janine because she doesn't live too far from there. So we both decided to go, and oh my goodness, it was an experience. We went around 3:30, something like that, and we still had to wait in line to get in the store. But they were playing music. Me and my cousin were just catching up and talking, so it wasn't even a big deal. But when we got in, I was so excited. Like, it was my first time ever going to a Morphe store because I've never been to the one in Burbank. So I was very, very excited. So I got this baby here. I got a bunch of goodies. I got this baby. I got the contour and highlight sponge that Jacqueline always talks about. I got a bunch of goodies, and you'll see some of them as I'm doing this tutorial. But like, if I end up taking them out, I'll show you guys. But I got the Dare to Create palette because I don't know. There was something about this palette that just kept drawing me in, like, hardcore. Like, just look at this. It's so colorful. There's so many options, and all these transition shades are huge. But because it has such a wide range of transition shades, I feel like it's pretty easy for almost anyone to use. I'm gonna go ahead and put some primer on. I'm using the Smashbox lid primer in the shade Light. I'm gonna go ahead and use my beauty blender to blend that. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set that eyeshadow primer, just because it's always smart to go in and set your eyeshadow primers. It just helps everything blend out better. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Powder Foundation. I've been using this like crazy. I love it. So one of the things I got at the Morphe store, I'll just go ahead and show you guys because I'm so excited about it. I still have the plastic on. I don't know why, but I just want to keep it on for a little bit longer. I'm weird. OCD kicks in. Want to keep it nice and neat as long as I can. But I got the brush box travel set thing that Jacqueline always talks about. I just got the travel set. I didn't get all her brushes. They did have that at the store because I needed a new travel case for my brushes, and I knew that they had that one. So as soon as I saw it in the store, I was like, Janine, show me exactly where it is. I need it. And she took me. She hooked me up. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using my bigger blending brush. So I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Canvas, which is this transition shade right here. And we're going to put that all in the crease, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. And these are highly pigmented. I learned that the hard way the first time I tried it. So try to go in with a light hand. See, like, look, that's already showing up so much. If not, you'll be blending out for days. They do blend out very nicely, I will say, so it's not like a huge deal if you do use too much product. I think I'm gonna do a blue halo eye just because I want to do something bold, and I feel like I haven't done like a bold, colorful look in a long time. We're gonna go in with this shade right here, which is Indigo. It's a very, very beautiful, bold shade. I have not used this shade in the palette yet, so I've been leaning more towards like the neutrals of the palette. So I'm excited to try out the more colorful ones. Okay, I want to go in with a really light hand because I have no idea how intense this is going to be. I'm going to blend it around. Oh, that's pretty. Blend out the edges using the same brush we used for the transition shade. I'm not taking any extra product. I'm just using like anything that's left. Blending it out so we don't have any harsh edges. I'm going to go in with this flat brush I have. We're going to go ahead and go in with this shade right here, which is Taylor. It's just a very pretty light blue shade. I'm packing it on this brush. And we're going to put it right in the middle. Ooh, girl. And we're going to bring it all the way up. Now I'm going to take my smaller blending brush that I just got when I went to the Morphe store. This is the Morphe M321. It's just like a little tiny baby blending brush. I'm going to go back in with indigo again. And we're going to deepen this. I'm going to take the blue shade one more time. And just go over anywhere we kind of dimmed it out. Now I'm going to take that big blending brush again, that little fluffy one. And once again, we're going to diffuse it so we don't have too harsh of a line. I'm going to go ahead and take my powder brush. And I'm going to brush away the baggage. Now we're going to do the lower lash line. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe M432 brush. It's just a flat brush like this. And I want to mimic what's going on up here. So I'm going to go in with indigo first. And we're just going to put that right here. And then in there. And then I'm going to go in with Taylor, which is the shade that we have in the center of the lid. And I'm going to put that right in the center of the lower lash line to mimic what's going on up there. I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe M321 brush, the small blending brush, and I'm going to take Canvas, which is the shade we used as our transition shade, and I'm going to go ahead and blend this out just a little bit. I am going to line my eyes a little bit, but we are not going to do a wing. So I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and we're just going to line them a little bit. Very thin line. I don't even remember the last time I did my eyeliner for a glam look and didn't wing it. I'm going to go in with my Better Than Sex mascara. This look is screaming falsies. So I'm going to take my Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. I'm going to take the lightest shade, which I believe is Subconscious. I might be wrong. But I'm going to go in and contour. I was gonna try to contour the double chin a little, because you know, Christmas is still lingering, the holiday season is still lingering. I'm gonna go in with Endless right here. These are pigmented blushes, you guys. And I am gonna take the highlight from this palette because I'm obsessed with it, and the shade Whimsical. And I'm using the Morphe R36 brush, which is everybody's favorite highlight brush. I finally bought it, you guys. Highlight the Cupid's bow, the nose, light the brow bone a little bit, but only at the high point of the brow. So part of me is thinking I want to put on false lashes, because I feel like it'll just give it that little oomph that I need. I'm going to use my Duo Blue and my Ardell Foam Ink lashes. I have used these ones before. These are my favorite lashes I've discovered. Okay, so now that we got the lashes on, I feel like the look's almost complete. I got this liquid lipstick by Morphe for free along with 2 other items because I spent a certain amount of money when I was there for opening day. Or grand opening, not opening day. So let's see how we like this look. I haven't decided if I'm going to like it or not. I like the lip color. I think it is really pretty. I just don't know if it goes with this look. I kind of want to deepen it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit on top of this in the shade Give Me Mocha. Yeah, see, that's where I want to be. So now I just have to take my hair down So this is our completed blue halo eye. So that completes this blue halo eye look. I have not done a look with no wing, like a glam look. I don't think I've ever done a glam look with no wing. Like, this is new for me, okay? It is new for me. So I hope you guys like how this look turned out. I have a ton of more videos planned for you guys coming up. I've been really inspired lately, and there's been a lot of cool videos going around, so I do plan on doing those. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video and you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I always love new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.